Right. In titration problem 2C, I need to find the pH after adding 50 milliliters of the same acid. So this looks like it's going to start out as the other one did, the part B did, where I've got my original 150 milliliters of 0.5 molar ammonia, so that's 0.075 moles of ammonia. When I figure out how many moles of acid I'm adding 50 milliliters, and it is still 0.750 molar. So now it equals how much? Let's see, 0.0375 of H plus has been added. So when I subtract this, I find out that I've got 0.0375 moles of NH3 left. Now, instead of going through a bunch of equations, notice right away the moles of NH3 and the moles of NH4, because I get one NH4 for every H plus I add, these are the same. I am halfway to the equivalence point. Right? So, if I am halfway to the equivalence point, so this is a base, POH equals PKB. Right? You could eventually get to the same answer by going through all the calculations we did in part B, but it's not necessary. Just point out clearly we are halfway to the equivalence point, that our concentration of NH3 and NH4 plus are the same, and that we can simply say POH equals negative log of 2.4 times 10 to the minus 5. Which gives us a POH of 4.620. pH equals 14 minus POH, which is 14 minus 4.620. So pH, when I've added 50 milliliters, is going to equal 9.380. Right? So once I could see that my NH4, because I get one of those for every H plus that I add, and my NH3 were the same, I could immediately just jump to this relationship.